Hello. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna do a floating open cup with this just piece of cup I cut out. I added a secret ingredient to the colors. And I'm gonna tell you what it is. 'Cause it's for science. I've added this to my paints in the past when I was doing bloom pours, and it actually helped the colors just really pop. It really helped with the lacing, it really helped with the cell development, and I'm really curious if it's gonna work here, but I don't know, and that's why we're gonna find out. It's you and me. We're gonna do this. So the color palette I'm using today, I have a violet, I have a turquoise, I have like an aqua blue green color, and then a metallic white. All the colors have the ingredient that I was talking about in it. And then the base coat is just plain black, nothing, no silicone, no anything. So I'm gonna get to pouring this, and you're gonna come along this journey with me. Again, for science. I will say, I'm quite excited because, yep, look at that, bloopers already. It's all good. I'm excited, I have a level canvas. So hopefully, you're not gonna see me chasing the cup around like I typically end up doing in these videos. I tried to pick some colors that would contrast pretty well together. So here's the open. Not a whole lot happening yet. But with this type of pour, I shouldn't have to lift the cup. Here, let me add just a little. Just a pop of black. Tiny amount. Let's see if we get anything special. The cup's moving. So level surface or not, the cup is bound and determined to do whatever it wants. It's much like the acrylic paint. Typically does whatever it wants. I don't see a whole lot happening as of yet. We still have some time. Seeing some things happening, but it's so subtle you probably can't see it. So I'm gonna use my trusty heat gun and see if we can get anything to happen. Okay. Some things are happening. We're getting some very small cell formation. But they're nice big round cells. So hey, maybe there's some promise here. Maybe if I pour it into this side of the cup, it'll force the cup in the other direction. It didn't, guys. So don't do that. It didn't work. See, I'm trying it again. It's still going the same direction, even though I rotated it, so it's not that it's not level, it's just wants to be difficult. I think my open cups they think it's a game, y'all. They think it's a fun little game to play. We're still floating around. And then that same little pop. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tilt this, trying to bring the cup a little bit back. I know that's gonna distort the cells a little. And it's scraping right there down to the bare canvas, so what we're gonna do to stop any silicone from messing that up know, just apply a little bit of black there. Just a little bit, that's all we need. All right. We already have enough paint for coverage, clearly. But I always like to, you know, add a little bit of extra. I don't like wasting the paints too much, if I can help it. But I'm also not gonna just dump a whole ton of paint on the canvas just for the sake of, you know, using it. I will save it for something else, if it comes down to it. So there's the last of the white. And then we're still gonna do that little teeny pop of black. A little bit. And then we're gonna take the rest around the edges here. Try to give it a little bit of paint to glide on so it doesn't roll underneath. All right, so just like I typically do, I'm gonna hit it with a torch, hopefully get something to happen with it. Oh yeah. Would you look at that? That's pretty, guys. Whoa. That is... Oh my goodness. They just keep coming. Look at that, that is crazy. So what I'm gonna do with this cup, I don't typically like to leave it. Some people like the look of that big round center, but I really don't. I don't like it at all. So I'm gonna release whatever's left and then swipe towards the edge. And it'll create a nice little swipe. I'm gonna hit that section with the heat gun. Activate that silicone. I really think that that one special ingredient is making a huge difference. But when I get close up, right, you'll be able to see there's so many tiny cells within cells. It's like a inception. Cells within cells within cells. Love it. I love it. So we've reached that point right now where we're gonna spin this out. All these cells are gonna expand. And then we're gonna hit it with a torch again and create even more cells. So let's do this. Let me try to maybe get some of that towards the middle. Because I really like the way this looks here. And I try to spin it slowly so that I don't distort the cells too much. I'm gonna need more of the black over there. I'm gonna grab my trusty cup of black. You know, help the paint slide just a little. Because all that is just rolling under, right? And I don't want to spin the heck out of this, because then all the cells are gonna start looking really wonky, and I'd prefer them to maintain their nice round look. Oh my goodness, look at that. One corner right here that's not completely covered. But instead of spinning it again, I'm just going to take a little bit of this excess. And as the paint continues to drip, that part that doesn't match the rest is going to run off. These colors are insane. Wow. That just looks crazy. So I'm going to hit it with a torch again, and you're going to see even more little tiny cells open up. already see it happening a lot on this end over here, and let me turn it for you. Look at all these tiny cells within cells. It's just gorgeous, glorious colors. I love this. I really didn't know how these colors were gonna look together. These colors are amazing together. Oh my goodness. Okay, if you've hung with me to this point, I know, thank you. First of all, thank you very much. I can't express how much gratitude I have for you guys. Just the growth of this channel here recently, with all the new subscribers and like the old subscribers that are just my ride or die. Y'all are always complimenting me and giving me great feedback on things. I can't tell you enough how grateful I am for all that. So I'm gonna show you guys what I added to the paints. And I really think, I mean, the results kind of speak for themselves. I added that. And that's not something you would typically think to add to a pouring medium, but in the past, when I couldn't get my blooms to work right with the Shelly art technique, I would add a drop or two of that to my paint. Really helped the lacing, it really helped with the cell development with that technique, and wow, it absolutely helped here too. So let me take you guys down, give you a nice close-up of this, because the cells that are in here right now are just whew, crazy. All right, so I brought you guys down. The little tiny micro cells within these colors are crazy. I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna be adding that Minwax wood conditioner to more of my color combinations. Because it gave like a different type of cell. I've never seen, hold on, get the camera. That'll work, I guess. I've never seen such tiny, tiny little cells. That just looks amazing.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.